Welcome everyone. In this video, we will be talking about basic string functions. Let's start. Okay, so trim. So the trim function says removes all spaces from a string except for single spaces between words. So how can we identify that? We cannot identify that by just looking at it, except for this, because it separates the two words by space. So let's try to do a conditional formatting, highlight, and then text that contains. And then from here, let's delete that and let's press on the space bar. There. Okay. So here he had this string has extra space. You can take a look at that at the top of this screen. Okay, so we will be removing that using the trim function. So let's press on equal, type in trim, and then select the text or string that we would like to trim. Then let's copy it there. There we go. And then we can just copy it so that the cell reference will move as well. And then copy it. Okay, let's validate. So the only red that we should see here is this because of the space between the two words. So let's try again. Yep. So the 3 has been trimmed. This one has been trimmed, but still contains the space. Okay, let's move on to concatenate. Let's see what concatenate means. Okay. So concatenate says join several text strings into one text string. So let's give it a try. So text 1 says comma, and then text 2, and then let's close it. Okay. So it combined the two strings. However, since there is still this data is not yet trimmed, let's try to use this. Okay, and then let's like this. That's our text 1, and then E7 plus text 2. So it combined the two strings. However, there's no space to separate the first name to the last name. So let's try to add a space. So let's use the double quotation mark, space, and then double quotation mark, and then comma. There you go. Separate the last name. So let's do it again here. So cat, and then text 1, comma, double quotation, space, double quotation, comma, and then text 2, E8. Very good. And then let's copy it down. Okay, and another tip that you can use alternate from the concatenate. You can press equal. You can do this. Press equal, first value, ampersand, double quotation, space, double quotation, and then another ampersand, and then second string value. There. Okay, so that's an alternative way to do concatenate. And let's go to proper. So what does proper mean? So proper converts a string to proper case, which is the first letter in each word to uppercase and all the other letters to lowercase. So proper case. So let's select the text that we would like to do a proper function with there. And let's do that again. Okay, and then let's copy it. Okay, so it looks visually acceptable now, rather than doing this. Okay, let's take a look at upper. So upper converts a string to all uppercase letters. Let's try that. Okay, yep, it converted the string to all capital letters. Let's try it forward. Okay. Okay, so it converted to small cases. Okay, so this is important, especially uh, when you are doing some aggregation from your data, especially trim, because you cannot look up values if, well, I mean, you can, but it's not gonna work. Um, Looking up the values with extra spaces because you have to identify where the extra spaces is. So I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Thank you.